Science University. Bolt of thunder, and the players have gone down on the pitch. Well, unbelievable scenes here at the George Gold Stadium. Jaconia Phoebe is down, so is Shabani, and that bolt of lightning was straight down onto the pitch here. We could feel it in our commentary box, which shuddered. You can see the players holding their heads, Nanga as well. Surely they've got to call this off. Mashite is down. And we've got everybody on the pitch now attending to players. Unbelievable scenes here.
These are amazing scenes. But like you said earlier, it's always a threat, the lightning.
Well, that particular bolt, we felt right here in our commentary box. It shuddered. We're up in the main stand, and down on the pitch, the players would have felt the effect. Let's have a look if we can see it again. This was Legeto, and there you can feel it, and look at everybody just collapsing. Even the referee, Mr. Motsumai, clutching his head. Mashita is the man receiving treatment. This is very, very dangerous. And we have people all over the pitch now